how to order from two different places on DoorDash. Here's how it works. You want to load up DoorDash and then choose the first restaurant which you're trying to get food from. For example, let's say that we are trying to get some Jack in the Box. You want to choose the item and you will check out as you would normally. So for example, let's choose Sprite, save, and go on here. So once you do that, once you make your order, you will click on continue here and you gotta pay for your order. Now once you have paid for the first restaurant, here's how it works. You want to look for the feature DoorDash. So here you can use the search bar to search for DoorDash, which looks like this. So you will just want to search for DoorDash. It's going to show you some stores usually here. For example, 7-Eleven is a participating store. So other participating stores are going to be Walgreens, Wawa, Quick Check, the ice cream shop, Dash Mart convenience hubs. And basically what you want to do is go and choose how to order here from 7-Eleven, for example. So whatever you want to get from 7-Eleven, it's going to appear on your map. So you will look for the DoorDash option. You will choose the participating store, then get some items from there and check out. And your driver is going to receive both of the orders. So he's going to get the order from the restaurant first, and then he's going to get the order from the convenience store. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.